Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today is a Mailbox Monday where I show you all the things that I got in the last week. So here we go. I went down to the local auto parts store, which was basically a body shop supply, something body shop, okay? And I got a bunch of paint. Some of it is for me, some of it is for Jordan. And I got some other supplies and things like that. So what I will do is I will show you exactly what is going to go on. If you are unaware, I am a Squarebody aholic, I guess. I don't know, collector at this point. I have, I don't know, depending on how you look at it with bodies and all that jazz. If you want to count bodies, I've got like 4 more back here. But anyway, I've got like roughly, let's say, 10 trucks. And so I went on eBay, and this is one of the things I thoroughly enjoy. I went and got the PPG exact color match from 73 all the way to 79. Technically 80 is as well, but it has a different grill, kind of like my Suburban. I can't really replicate that with the RC 4-wheel drive grill, so I only went to 79. So you will see, like, the truck behind me is light turquoise poly. So then I have 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. These give you the actual colors that my local paint store can actually match. I have found these insanely useful in getting actual colors, and I like it a lot better because I can mix and match. And when people say, "Oh, that's so cool," or like, "Oh, that truck looks good, what color is that?" I can be like, "Oh, that's actually 1974 bright yellow poly." Just kind of cool to me. I got those. It's a good reference if you're building scale trucks and things and you want them to be semi-correct. So I got that a long time ago. Leading into, then I went down and got these. You've seen this before. I've gotten them online. My local place is a little bit better. They're definitely cheaper, and I like the paint better. It has a lot more gloss when you put it on as opposed to the ones that we ordered from Paint Match, Car Paint Matte, Original Paint Matte, something along those lines. Anyway, they work a lot better than those. So what I actually got was General Motors Code 81 Brown. This is a brown metallic poly. This will be going on the lower dually. This is a 1977 Polar White. This will be in the middle of the dually. So instead of doing brown and tan or any of that stuff, making it look like the Fall Guy truck, which makes me want to barf because I hate that freaking truck.
Oh god.
And it's not even the right year anyway. The brown and tan color scheme is very, very overdone. So I went ahead and got the brown poly, which was not the normal brown, and then like a cream white color. And that will be the lower dually, which is on its way back to me actually from Scott Limpert. Next up, I got blue and blue. So I have bright blue and dark blue. These are from 74. Oh, he just used a 74. These are both from 77 as well. The dark bright blue, I think, or something like that, is a color they carried from, I believe, 73 to like 79 all the way through. It's basically just a metallic iridescent blue. And then they got different shades as well in some of those colors. So I think this is the colors I'm going to go with on my new shop truck. Basically bright blue in the middle, and then maybe dark blue around the most of the truck. And then I thought about doing the bumpers white, kind of doing that like shop truck lower level trim kind of thing. Not 100% sure, but I got those. Then for my buddy Jordan, I got a red poly, and this is just like a neutral white. It's a little bit darker than the color I got to go with the brown. But he got both of these. This is the colors that he is going to spray his K10. He has a TF2 with K10 body. Could end up just being a show truck or whatever, or he could use it, I'm not sure. But he went with the red poly and the like creamy white color. Gonna look super killer. I was going to do it as well, but he kind of claimed it first. There's plenty of other colors out there. It's not that big of a deal. Next, I got some 1K clear. I'm looking to do some like factory finish on a few things, and the green shop truck that's now a short bed lifted truck is kind of one of those things. I'm not looking to make it uber glossy aftermarket paint. I'm looking to make a glossier stock like paint, I guess. I'm not sure if this works on one thing and then it's not glossy enough for another. Like this crew cab back here, the Slam Dually, and then probably when I redo the Suburban, maybe, and the van, they will get 2K clear just to really, really make them look nice. I don't know. Who knows? It doesn't know. I don't know. Who knows? Whatever. Anywho, I got this clear. If nothing else, the sheen will hopefully stay the same, and then I can just protect the paint that's actually on there, because I have noticed already a few little scratches on the shop truck where the paint is scratched off from moving it around and, you know, doing whatever. So I got those. Next, I grabbed this whole little box just because I grabbed a bunch of them, but I have 2 microfine and 2 ultrafine 3M sanding pads. These are actually very, very useful for rounded, non-square square bodies. The rounded edges on a square body or a hard body in general. They do kind of conform, especially with your fingers, with a little bit of pressure and everything. They slide around, and much like your mother, with a little bit of pressure, my fingers slide around. They do slide around pretty nice and get into the crevices and the little nooks and crannies and everything, and make a really nice finished product. I like them a lot. Obviously, they're not sponsoring me or anything. This is just a suggestion. It's a hell of a lot easier than sandpaper on your hands too. It's not, it doesn't get as hot in your fingers, and it's a little more cushy, so you're not like really pushing down and, you know, when your fingertips all start to hurt and stuff. That wraps up a short little banger of a Mailbox Monday. Square body things at Matt's Square Body Ranch, basically. So I appreciate you watching. Make sure to stick around for the bloopers. Check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC across the board. Check me out live on YouTube Monday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern, whatever the hell time that is for you. With Jordan and Doug, we talk about things that's not always RC related. You can do whatever. We just shoot the breeze and hang out. Join us. I will see you later. Bye. Anyway, they work a lot better than those. So, okay. I think this is the new colors I'm going to go with. No, if nothing else, hopefully it'll stay the sheen. Or I feel like I'm missing something, but could it just be? Am I missing something? Yes, I'm going to see how glossy. I feel like I am. I don't know. Anyway, with all my new shop. Excuse you. What am I missing? I'm not sure. I don't know. Who knows? I should have already done that. You know what I mean. That's it, yeah? I'll know what I mean. 4 that is blocking that, and you can't probably hear anything, so that's stupid.